whole nother recipe, which this recipe is actually in the ebook. So when you purchase some of the pumpkin spice paleo protein powder, you get a free ebook with recipes. And one of the recipes in the ebook is a delicious power pumpkin bread. So it's also AIP approved. It's somewhat similar to the gingerbread that's found in the Autoimmune Solution Cookbook, and you could add pumpkin spice paleo protein to that as well. But this is the pumpkin bread that has its cassava flour and coconut flour. It utilizes our gelatin instead of egg, so it's AIP approved. So not only is it replacing an egg and making everything stick together and bind, but it helps repair your gut, helps with hair, skin, nails, joints, all that kind of stuff. And it's a great egg replacer. So if you have not checked out our gelatin, highly recommend it, particularly as we're moving into the holiday season with lots and lots of baking. And I made the most amazing AIP waffle recipe over the weekend. So we're going to be adding that into another ebook here very shortly, and we'll be telling you all about that. So it was a huge hit in my house. We've been trying to perfect a recipe that was pretty easy. There is one in the Autoimmune Solution, and then this one as well. All right, so if you haven't picked up any gelatin, you may want to do that. The recipe for this power pumpkin bread that includes the pumpkin spice paleo protein is in the ebook that you get when you purchase the pumpkin spice paleo protein.